Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we are going to see some of the important points of topic cement. So let us start with the first point. Specific gravity of OPC. OPC means ordinary Portland cement. The specific gravity of ordinary Portland cement is 3.15. Coming to second one, the initial setting time of OPC is 30 minutes. So initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement is 30 minutes. Coming to third one, volume of one bag of cement is dash. It is 0.0347 meter cube. So volume of one bag of cement is 0.0347 meter cube. Coming to next one, the density of cement, it is 1440 kg per meter cube. The density will be in kg per meter cube. So with respect to units also we can by heart this friends. The density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. Coming to next one, fineness of cement is done by dash. It is sieve number 9. With respect to sieve number 9, we will do this fineness test of cement. Coming to next one bag of cement weight, it is equal to 50 kg. One bag of cement equal to 50 kg in weight. Coming to next one, specific surface area. So we will see the specific surface area of four types of cements. The first one is ordinary Portland cement. The specific surface area of ordinary Portland cement, it should not be less than 2250 centimeter square per gram. Here the SSA units will be centimeter square per gram. So specific surface area of OPC should not be less than 2250 centimeter square per gram. Coming to second one, the specific surface area of rapid hardening cement, it should not be less than 3250 centimeter square per gram. RHC means rapid hardening cement. Third one, specific surface area of low heat cement, LHC means low heat cement. It should not be less than 3200 centimeter square per gram. Coming to fourth one, specific surface area of PPC means Portland Pozzolana cement. It should not be less than 3000 centimeter square per gram. So we have seen the four types of specific surface area of cement. First one is ordinary Portland cement, rapid hardening cement, low heat cement, and Portland Pozzolana cement, and the ranges also we have seen. Coming to next one, here this table is also very much important friends. They can ask you any of the bit from this table. So I will give this table for you friends in this lecture. See, they have given us exposure of mild, moderate, severe, very severe, and extreme, and we need to know the minimum cement content, maximum free water cement ratio, minimum grade of concrete, nominal cover also for this exposure conditions. So let us start with mild. So for mild exposure, the minimum cement content, how much it will be? It will be 300. So in mild exposure, the minimum cement content is 300 kg per meter cube. Coming to moderate, for moderate also it is 300. For moderate also it is 300 kg per meter cube. Coming to in severe exposure it is 320 kg per meter cube. And coming to very severe exposure, the minimum cement content we need is 340 kg per meter cube. And coming to the extreme exposure, we need the cement content as 360 kg per meter cube. So it is very easy friend. If you remember the first two as 300 and simply add 20. So you will get first two as 300, and in a severe exposure it is 320, very severe exposure it is 340, and in extreme exposure it is 360. The units also very important friends, it is kg per meter cube. Coming to maximum free water cement ratio, for mild exposure the maximum free water cement ratio we need is 0.55. So in mild exposure the maximum free water cement ratio we required is 0.55, and coming to in moderate exposure it is 0.5. it is 0.5, and in severe exposure it will be 0.45. So in severe exposure the maximum free water cement ratio required is 0.45, and coming to very severe exposure, for very severe exposure also it will be same as severe only, it is 0.45 only. Coming to next one, in extreme exposure, the maximum free water cement ratio required is 0.4 only. So it is of decreasing order, friends. See, 0.55, 0.5, 0.45, 0.45 and 0.4. Whereas here, see, in minimum cement content it is of increasing order. So you can remember like that also, friends. Coming to next one, it is minimum grade of concrete. So see here, we need mild, moderate, severe, very severe, extreme. So we need the minimum grade of concrete for this exposure. For mild exposure, the minimum grade of concrete we required is M20. So for mild exposure, the minimum grade of concrete required is M20. Coming to moderate, for moderate exposure, the minimum grade of concrete required is M25. So M25 we required for moderate exposure. Coming to severe exposure, the minimum grade of concrete required is M30. So M30 grade of concrete is required in severe exposure. Coming to next one, very severe exposure, the minimum grade of concrete required is M35. So M35 grade of concrete is required in very severe exposure condition. Coming to next exposure is extreme. In extreme condition, we need M40. So M40 grade of concrete is required. It is also, see friends, M20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It is also of increasing order. You can remember like this: mild, moderate, severe, very severe, extreme, and M20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So you can easily remember this one. Coming to last one, nominal cover. So for M20 grade, the nominal cover is 20. The units will be mm. So nominal cover units is in mm, friends. I am writing here directly. See, for M20 grade concrete, the nominal cover is 20 mm. For M25 it is 30 mm. So you can see, friends, here for mild exposure, minimum grade of concrete is M20 and nominal cover is 20 mm. And for moderate exposure, minimum grade of concrete is M25 and nominal cover is 30 mm. And for severe exposure condition, the minimum grade of concrete is M30 and the nominal cover is 45 mm. And coming to very severe condition, the minimum grade of concrete required is M35 and the nominal cover is 50 mm. And coming to last one, extreme exposure condition, minimum grade of concrete required is M40 and for in this the nominal cover will be 75 mm. So for M20 20 mm, M25 30 mm, M30 45 mm, M35 50 mm, and M40 it is 75 mm. This table is very much important, friends. They can ask you anything. Simply they will give moderate condition and they will ask you which grade, or they will ask you nominal cover. They will ask you very severe and they will ask you which grade and which nominal cover, what is the value of nominal cover. So they can ask you anything. So it is very important to know this table, friends. The table is very useful for you. Coming to next one, approximate value of shrinkage strain of concrete. It is 0.0003. So the approximate value of shrinkage strain of concrete is 0.0003. It is a direct bit, friends. They will ask you directly like this only. So the answer is 0.0003. So next one, in working stress method, the factor of safety. So factor of safety ranges. In working stress method, the factor of safety for steel is 1.78 and for concrete it will be 3. The concrete value will be more. And coming to in limit state method, the factor of safety for steel is 1.15 and the factor of safety for concrete is 1.5. Here also the concrete value will be more. So we have seen for working stress method, and for limit state method also we have seen the factor of safety values. That's it friends for today. I will cover more important points in my another lecture, so please do subscribe to my channel friends, and also press the bell icon to get the latest updates of my channel. Thank you friends.